Let's kick off today's gadget lineup with the WINGMAN W20 power bank. This nifty device runs on batteries that you can easily replace. To swap them out, just press the button on the power bank's body to open it. The manufacturer suggests using batteries with a 5 amp output capacity and a 2 amp charge. Plus, you don't have to keep it plugged in overnight. But who wants to carry a phone power bank and extra batteries around? The price tag for this gadget is $29. The Cozypad heater stands out from its competitors for its size, as it fits in the palm of your hand, delivering between 500 and 800 WTS of power. It's cordless and has a plug in the back cover. Thanks to its ceramic elements, it heats up quickly. Controlled by a remote, it maintains your desired room temperature. According to the heaters, it's perfect for home, office, and travel. With this technology, conversations by the campfire can easily become cozy chats by the heater. You can get the Cozypad along with its case for $79. What do a jump starter, a vacuum cleaner, a flashlight, a pump, and a power bank have in common? Well, usually nothing, but Jumpac changed that. They've rolled out a gadget that packs all 5 handy tools into one case. The left button gives power to the terminals, while the right one lets out air. To learn about the other buttons, better check out the manual. Jumpac comes at a price of $129, and it includes filters, hoses, brushes, and nozzles. Just be sure not to mix up the connections when using this gadget. Can a smartphone feel things, have fun, chat, or work at your desk? Find out by hooking it up to Looi Robot. This platform on 2 rubber tracks transforms your smartphone into a full-blown robot. Besides the usual functions, the robot can think with the help of Varjo XR-4. Once connected to Looi Robot, the camera becomes the eyes and the speaker becomes the voice of your smartphone. Interested in having such an assistant? Varjo engineers believe their XR-4 series augmented reality headset beats the competition. It boasts 4K resolution displays with 200 nits of brightness, which is considered high for any display, less alone a tiny screen for one eye. Visual simulation is handled by 220-megapixel cameras, and you can adjust the focus with your eyes. The panoramic lenses boost the viewing angle to 120 horizontally and 105 vertically. While these headsets might be too complex for video games, they're likely to find use in other industries. The Creality 2 computer mouse comes with built-in chat and can record meetings while transcribing audio to text. But can a modern user be satisfied with such a basic set of features? Certainly not. Creality 2 also includes a built-in pointer to make presentations easier by moving the cursor across the screen. In case there are no screens, the built-in laser will mark a dot on the board. The mouse even has a built-in alarm clock to ensure that you don't miss any meetings. The Creality 2 is priced at $44. Kitchen Mama offers a kitchen can opener equipped with a motor and 2 blades suitable for opening all types of cans. The device is specifically designed to assist older individuals who struggle with manual can opening. It features a single large button to power on and off. The previous version operated on regular batteries, and the updated one uses rechargeable ones. Kitchen Mama charges using a standard USB Type-C and is priced at $42. The Ludela candle burns with a real flame but won't melt thanks to the replaceable cartridges in the base. Each cartridge lasts for 50 hours. No matches or lighters are necessary since the rechargeable battery sparks to light the candle. Charging is done via USB and the candle can work for several months on a single charge. Ludela candle has a safety edge over analog candles with a built-in timer to avoid issues if you doze off with a book. Plus, it turns off if accidentally dropped. This candle is priced at $13.50. Artificial intelligence is ready to explore space. The Celestron Origin telescope scans and focuses on its own. Just connect it to the app, specify your desired planet, and the built-in camera automatically takes and sends photos to your smartphone or tablet. The photos instantly create a star map. With this home observatory, no galaxy or nebula is out of reach. If Galileo Galilei had this telescope, he might have had a better shot with the Inquisition. Folks, why would your home medicine cabinet need Wi-Fi and Bluetooth to remind you to take your medication? Of course, the company Keep has created a smart medicine cabinet that sends notifications to your smartphone. Simply open the cabinet by pressing the touch lid and it can be locked with your smartphone for privacy. If someone tries to nab an aspirin, the cabinet sends an alarm to the owner. Given the high cost of medicines these days, it's better to keep them in a secure spot. The price of these smart medicine cabinets is $299. The Creality CR Scan Ferret scanner is a great tool for people working with 3D models. This compact device connects to a smartphone. No special connections are needed for it to work properly. Just pass the scanner around the object. Creality captures even the tiniest details and remembers colors. Paired with a 3D printer, it's ideal for crafting plastic toys. And if you want, you can even scan a person. The price of this invention is $429.